I'm Janice. In this episode of 2 Minutes with Posh Home, we'll be talking about home ventilation system. A proper ventilation system has become more relevant since we live in such warm conditions. The radiant heat would be absorbed and trapped in the living space. And additionally, this landed property has 3 levels. And applying the concept of hot air rises, the 3rd level will be overheated. This will cause discomfort, leading to a stronger urge to switch on the air conditioner, resulting in global warming and expensive bills. Hence, installing ceiling ventilation fan on the 3rd level transfers warm and polluted indoor air to the turbine ventilation fan installed on the roof. Hot air will then be extracted and released through the turbo vents, allowing for a constant and steady flow of fresh air to circulate in the house. And that is all for today's video. If you're interested to install a ventilation system for your home, get in touch with us right away in the link below.